Hi everyone, welcome to Rosh Favorites. This video is another continuation of the Kuala Lumpur series. So today we are going to another destination in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. There are few places that we are going on today. So if you haven't watched the previous episodes, you can check out the description box below. The first destination that we are going on today is Petaling Street. We was arrived to this place by public transportation, and then after that we take a quick walk. And yes, you can see there is the Petaling Street. I am first time coming to the Petaling Street, but I have heard about Petaling Street before this. But this is my first time coming to the here. After we reach here, there are many type of shops are available at here. Facial related shops, food, and more. If you want to buy some gifts for your family or friends, you can buy from here. Or you can buy any type of shirts, fashion related items from here. When we went to there are not that much crowd as I expected. Still can manageable. My friends and I visited some shops at here. Some of the shops are at here are selling same items, but the prices are different, the quality are different. So before you buy, do check the price of the item and the quality of the items. Since there are many options, you can take your time to check and buy. After Petaling Street, we are going to a cafe which is called as Nico Neko Matcha.
Wow!
My friends will search about this cafe and got many reviews about it. Look at the environment, it's so cool. My friends were visited the website of this cafe and they got many positive reviews about it. So that's why we came here to give a try. So these are the items that we were ordered on that day. After went to this cafe, now we are going to Jalanalor. It is also will be called as Alo Street. Since this is the first time that my friends and I went to this street, we don't know the exact time when the shops will be open. And that time it was raining, so most of the shops are still closed at that time. We heard that most of the shops at there will be open on evening only. You can taste a variety type of dishes at there. If you are come with your family or with your friends, it will be one of the best way to enjoy it. Because on the day that my friends and I went to there are a lot of shops at there, but most of those shops are still closed at that time, so we can't explore much on that place. But we like the street very much because the street is full with some lights and shops. Since most of the shops are still closed, so we changed our plan to go to a street beside the Allo Street. And this street's name, I'm not sure what is its name, but it's near to there. We took some pictures of this place, and this one I think the paint is gone ready, so that's why it's like this. When we enter to this place is free of charge, no any payment to be made. I am not sure whether this place got changed now, but we went there during that time. This place was like this. This street is fully with many type of drawings such as fish and greenery and more. Look at this fish theme drawing. I love this fish theme drawing very much. They draw this drawing in a building, the back of the building. At here you can take a lot of photos. For me personally, I enjoy this place because it's different from other places. It have many type of drawings. And after a walk in this street, we going back again to the Allo Street to have our dinner at there because we plan to have our dinner at the Allo Street. So that's why we want to have our dinner at there. And we don't have any idea about the shops, about the restaurants at there. So we simply pick some restaurant and then we have our dinner at there. This is the night view at the Allo Street, and these are the foods that we bought at there. After have a dinner, my friends and I went to a hostel again. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like the videos, you can subscribe to Rosh Favorites for more videos like this. I will meet you all in another video. Bye.